Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to be here together with all the team. At the core of what we are going to do, as we stated, is the quality. The quality will be for the customer perceived as the content we are bringing. So the content, as it is stated on this slide, there is more than 40 HD channel on our offer, and the quality will be as well perceived from the customer with all the equipment we are going to provide to the customer, from the dish to from the satellite and as well from the box. What is as well very important, as you know, on the market of TV, is the content, the quality, as I said, but as well the diversity and the type of content we will bring to the market. So for this, we have been working with our partner, all the content provider, and we are happy to announce that we are bringing 26 new HD content on the Romanian market that are not available on other platforms. So this is about the content. Just for those who are not familiar with, we are very familiar with HD Voice at Orange, as we were the first one to introduce HD Voice on the mobile market. Now we are very pleased as well to bring this standard. It's not the same, it's the same name, but it's not the same. Still, it stands for the same value, which is quality. So here you have a bit more technical description of what is HD, and basically, at least for me to understand, and I guess you will understand as well, is you have more pixel, so you have a more sharpness of the quality of the image. So this is very important for us, as we really want to take the same standard that we have on the mobile business. We have a clear vision that the future is not about anymore TV set, tablet or smartphone. The long-term vision, it's about screen, and the only question will be the size of the screen. So from this vision, we have built this product which will allow the customer to watch the content on all the type of device. So the way we will proceed is from tomorrow, you will have this content available on your TV set, and you will have on your laptop, PC, at home, over internet or over 4G or H+ network of Orange. As we said, in a few months later, we have already prepared everything. It will become available on Android and Apple platform. So that is the first pillar. The second pillar on which we are building the service is on the content. The content, we have HD, but we don't have only HD, so we have more than 40 HD channels, and in total, we are bringing 100 channels on the Romanian market. As we stated, 26 are new in HD quality, and 16 are new brand content on the Romanian market. As we said, it's not only about the content. It's in order to deliver an HD quality, it's about as well that you need to make sure that all the material from the transmission to the reception is HD compliant. That's why we have this set that you see here, plus the satellite that is probably right now somewhere above our head. And all of this has been built on HD quality. On top of it, the white box that you see there is as well bringing more innovation than the current one on the market. On top of being HD, you have as well the possibility to create your own channel, meaning your own favorite list, where you put your channel. So if you don't like the way we have made the grid, you can, up to 5 people in your family, have your grid of programs, the one that you watch the most. You have as well for us, which is very important, you can protect the family, mainly I guess the kids, about to forbid some channel with a protection. So not only you can customize what you are watching, but as well in your environment of the family, you can program in order that only adults watch a certain channel. And on top of it, we are very proud of this dish. It is close to be square, like the orange logo. And the last one we have described, which for us is very important, is first of all, you will have only one subscription for the multi-screen. So the multi-screen is embedded in our tariff. It's not an extra option. So when you subscribe to the DTH, you get access to the multi-screen. On top of it, as we are not new on the market, but we have the biggest customer base on this market, we are going to offer a special price for existing customers, which I will detail in a few minutes. And the way we have designed this 100 channel, there will be a 3 package that I will now disclose to you. So, the 3 package. So, the first one, which we call local HD. As you see in the name, it's about local content. So this is the first price channel. This channel has 36 channels, out of which 6 are in HD. So you will probably, in a quick look, be very familiar. So we are covering all the market, the Romanian market, in terms of local content. So this is for the first package. The second package, which is built up on top of this one, which we call International HD, is the local plus additional channel to make a total package of 65 channels, out of which 19 are in HD. You will recognize some very famous, so we are bringing back the full Discovery package on the market, on top of it in HD. We are bringing as well Eurosport in HD, and as you see, we are bringing a lot of documentaries channel that I will comment later. And the last package is what we call Universe package, so positioned as a premium one, which is this 95 channel, out of which 37 are in HD. We have an additional 5 channels to make the 100, which is an option for what we call Super Night, which is adult content, but it's on top of this package. And here you will see, now I will go a bit through those portfolio of content that we have built. So, I was talking about this new HD channel. So here you see some of them, the 26, they are not all represented on this picture. But for example, B1 will be available on HD quality on the market. You have as well some more, I will say, segmented content, like hunting and fishing. You have as well the adult content. You have a brand new content provider called Trace, which is very segmented around the sport, extreme sport, and some tropical music. Then when I going through the different gender of the content we have, so in terms of sport, we have really focused to have the generic one and then to have very segmented sport provider. So the generic one, you know them, and some, for example, Motor Vision, which will be based on the German famous editor of newspaper who has their own channel of Motor Vision. As the name is saying, it is focusing on the car and everything related with speed. You have as well some extreme sport and as well HD Fight box, which is more related with sport combat. Kids, we have been very keen, as we have as well already on the mobile some kids and young proposition, to build up a strong portfolio of kids content provider. Here you see that there is some baby to kids content. We know that the Romanians are very keen to learn, so we have, and of knowledge, so we have built as well the most number of documentaries content provider on the market. So you will see this is the most complete lineup of content provider in the area of documentaries. So I was saying that Discovery is coming back on the market with their full portfolio, including HD quality. On the movies, we are as well, as you know, we have a strong association on the Romanian market with the movie industry, and we will as well express this in our portfolio, going from a generic blockbuster to more niche independent content provider like Sundance Channel, which is an independent movie, as well more women-oriented content with the Film Cafe, and as I was saying, some blockbuster with MGM and TV 1000. On news, the news are mainly local, but we have added as well some international European news, such as the BBC and Euronews, and we have all the Romanian news provider. We have as well French with France 24. Super Night, adult content. We are as well bringing some unique content provider on the market. So going now to the price. So the way we have built, and as we stated before, what was very important for us is to bring a product that is value for money as one of the, I will say, brand of Orange. So value for money for us mean a good price for a better quality. So we are convinced, and we have tested, and we have done a lot since, as some of you have been looking around the test with people, that the quality is clearly above the market due to all the setup we have put together. So that's one aspect. So the price level that you see on the column monthly fee, this is, we really want it to be a good price for the market with a better experience. On top of it, we will provide as well for any Orange customer a benefit of 20% discount on this monthly fee that you see on the left. The price are VAT included. And you see that we will have as well a mechanism whereby the customer, if he has one SIM on his name, will have 20%, and if he has two SIM on his name, will have 30% from this monthly fee. So here you see back the lineup of number of channels, number of HD channel in this package, and the final price for the customer. On top of it, as we clearly want to encourage people to discover this service, we have a team up with Samsung and Altex Media Galaxy to offer for a period of 1 month that anyone who will subscribe to the Orange services will receive a voucher to be redeemed in Media Galaxy and Altex shop for any Samsung HD TV set bought during this period.